You may not know this, but a single truck contains over 15,000 individual parts, all assembled meticulously to create the powerful machines we see on our roads. This complexity is a testament to human ingenuity, with each part, from the smallest bolt to the largest engine component, playing a vital role. Precision is key here, as even the slightest misassembly can lead to significant issues down the line. Now it's time to delve into the riveting process of how these road giants come to life. Every truck begins its life as an idea, a concept that needs to be transformed into a tangible product. Now this is where the magic happens, in the blueprint phase. Engineers huddle together, brainstorming and sketching out designs. They consider a multitude of factors, like the truck's intended use, whether it's meant to haul heavy goods or just for off-road adventures. Safety is also a prime concern. Our engineers meticulously plan for the unexpected, designing features that can withstand the harshest conditions. And let's not forget about aerodynamics. The design must ensure that the truck slices through the air with ease, improving fuel efficiency and reducing noise. Once these sketches are complete, they're transformed into a digital reality. Using advanced computer-aided design software, or CAD as it's commonly known, these blueprints are rendered into three-dimensional models. These 3D models allow for a thorough examination, ensuring every aspect is just right. Once the design is finalized, it's time to bring these blueprints to life. Welcome to the heart of truck manufacturing, the assembly line. This is where the magic happens, where the blueprint becomes a tangible, powerful machine. Our journey begins with the chassis assembly. This is the truck's skeleton, the backbone that supports everything else. Precision is key here. The chassis needs to be strong and perfectly aligned to withstand the weight of the truck and its future cargo. Next comes the heart of the truck, the engine. This beast of a motor is carefully lifted and secured into the chassis. It's the power source that will drive the truck thousands of miles, hauling loads across the country. Simultaneously, the transmission is assembled. This complex component is what allows the truck to shift gears and control speed. It's a marvel of engineering that requires meticulous assembly. Now let's talk about the cab. This is where the driver will spend countless hours, so comfort and functionality are paramount. The cab assembly includes installing the seats, dashboard, and all the necessary controls. It's like crafting a home away from home. Finally, we reach the painting and inspection process. The truck is coated in a vibrant layer of paint, giving it its unique identity. Then it undergoes a stringent inspection to ensure it's ready for the open road. At the end of the assembly line, what was once a mere blueprint is now a fully functional truck, ready to hit the road. The truck may look ready, but there's one crucial step left: quality control. This isn't just a cursory glance over the finished product. Oh no, it's a rigorous process that guarantees the safety and performance of the truck. It's a critical phase where every detail matters and every component is scrutinized. Think of it like a final exam, but for trucks. And the tests? They're as varied as they are thorough. There's the brake test, to ensure that the truck can stop on a dime when it needs to. Then there's the emissions test, to guarantee the truck isn't belching out more pollutants than it should. And let's not forget the road test. This is where the rubber literally meets the road, testing the truck's handling, acceleration, and overall performance. Once the truck passes all these tests, it's ready to be shipped off and start its journey on the open road. So that's the fascinating journey of a truck, from a simple concept to a road-ready machine. We've traveled through the intricate process of truck manufacturing, starting with the blueprint phase, where engineers meticulously design every detail of the colossal vehicle. Then we've seen the magic of the assembly line, where components come together to form complex systems, each piece playing a crucial role in the functionality of the truck. Finally, we've witnessed the rigorous quality control and the addition of final touches that ensure the truck is ready to hit the road and withstand the test of time. Isn't it amazing to think about the level of precision and coordination that goes into creating these massive machines? It's more than just a truck, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of teamwork. If you enjoyed this journey and love to learn more such interesting facts, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Stay curious, stay